Welcome, one and all, to Loops of Liberation, the channel where I take the principles that I use in therapy and put them into song format so that you can jam your way to better mental health. Today, I'm going to be giving you 3 tips on how to get out of a rut according to acceptance and commitment therapy. Let's jam. Tip 1. You can't use the same thinking that got you in the rut. In acceptance and commitment therapy, the therapist usually asks, is this more of the same or is this different? Even if on the surface it does seem different, the underlying process might be the same. Tip 2 is to practice acting contrary to your thoughts or your emotions. For example, try to think about the fact that you can't stand up and then stand up anyways. This slowly teaches you that your internal world doesn't have to dictate what your behaviors are. And usually our internal world is the one pulling the strings and keeping us trapped in this net that stops us from getting out of a rut. So ask yourself, what thoughts, emotions, memories, etc. are stopping you from behaving in a way that gets you out of a rut? And then when you feel those sensations, thoughts, memories, etc., you will know that you can still behave in a way that's going to get you out of your rut. You can still behave in a way that's going to get you out of your rut. It's going to get you out of your rut. Tip 3. Stop wagging a finger at yourself. I don't know if you've ever had this experience, but often when we try to tell ourselves that we have to change something or we have to do this with a wagging finger, we automatically close up. We say, I don't want to do that. Just the fact that we have to do something makes us less likely to want to do it. So the actionable step here is to try to think of the good stuff. Really spend some time playing in your mind why this is important to you and what makes it good, what would feel. Because the longer you do this, the less likely you are to wag your finger and say that you must or you should. There'll be a want, and that want creates an energy that will help propel you out of your rut. Now, if you want to keep jamming your way to better mental health, I'll see you in the next video. This has been Nevern. Cheers.